Another way, I was having a chat with someone who works with one of the firms one more analysis on Ghana coronavirus statistics and sensemo air kono. Na nipakono analysis a woye me say what senya Ghana ye kwa. I've told you say Ghana the analysis that has come, I told you earlier on, said the analysis that has come shows say by the end of July you be 30,000 cases on senya ye kono. So the person told me say analysis I want so why say by Monday Ghana your coronavirus cases no about 20,000. Now nipa kone cast and I was like, hey Charlie, serious so? And I say yeah, analysis I want know why no by Monday. It turns out say nipa kone analysis I want no he was being lenient with the stats. It's here for and then I mean say on the 7th on the 5th of July, which is the 7th month. And the 5th day of the 7th month, which is the 5th of July. Now, Sunday, it is not even Monday yet. Now, so coronavirus cases, and then I know say Ghana, apart 20,000. We call the official site they checking out coronavirus cases, and then I know say 20,085 Ghana, and Crawford are 122. I've told you, said Ghana has said so far, one more coronavirus cases no, a do critical niano, or more femwew. So far, I am yet to see anyone a coronavirus case no, need the do critical. Archer say, was also a return here, and I was also a call back. A do critical, dear, and Archer say, assemble any air yin. Inti now the number of deaths near 117, and 5 people were in critical condition, and then 122 and actually say pomu ewu from a year coronavirus no. But you see, you ask yourself, say 20,000 people now have the virus. And don't say there is a backlog. Yate say nkofo bebre wo ho a wo mo aye test no 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, wo mo nya mo result here. Into mo nya mo result in the year can see obviously the numbers are even more than 20,000. But Yembisa Yahu say, as the cases are rising, are we learning anything? And the question is no. We are still not learning anything. And upon we are, I mean, me mami airborne komo. Na me buefu. Aden me mami. Why not doing say? I saw you more being so still. Why not doing say one ko? Na DSC NSA. Woman sorry we more be one more year services. It's to me your first service, second service, third service, fourth service. So almost streaming live since so on Facebook. Until me mama share live on Facebook no they betray me. Say almost sorry almost streaming live on Facebook. Now communion and I'm for air kwa wamoji communion. Now communion no nipa na wama communion no. One shahe nensasa and a wadia fa communion bread o said yen into the fa communion bread na congregation neba no they are show munsim. No more they show munum or the fa communion bread and congregation neba no they show munsim no they show munum. Tell someone me catch mama say, hey, sad dear way, are very dangerous so. Are very, very dangerous. I mean, I understand the Christian faith and all. So are you telling me say in times like this, no, God doesn't understand? And no who's still. I was a woman communion na wo osofo na wo nipa woman communion wa ba begina sorry nanim. Na wo de won sa bom eyi baako. Na wo biaba na wa gina straight or the ashe nenum. Inti wo nipa ko na woman communion no. What if you have COVID-19 and you don't know? What if you've tested positive and now you have the virus on your hands? What the man grofo and grofo they are show monum straight to. Not just a direct multiplication of COVID-19 no. So I told my mom say Dabio it's in yankopon wan tiasia na. Doesn't God understand? Even if for this meantime, why you want say ya really to say near Kosovo Ghana no. For this meantime, what your moon year communion and bibia, wouldn't God understand? Is it by force? Say still, yama be say prostitutes be say sabi ebe to miyama ya no akosra na. We seem not to be learning anything in this country. We seem not to be learning anything in this country. Meanwhile, feel say yare no ko se na me din kan tell say na me ne experts no nipa na wo analysis na kasa no wo ka kire me say this time it will be worse because Ghana say aye cold. And bra coronavirus by na Ghana can and the cases na record this time no ebia it will take about 2 weeks and say record be 2 cases and now 5 cases ni nyama no. Na de nipa ko na etre me ne say that time no na Ghana ewia ebo na ye wash mu. So that time the coronavirus couldn't spread that much. Insurance shall say eto. Aha ye new. And the baby amity mean so fan air con be and boha. Now so I knew, but normally first no baby amity I mean your broadcast I was a fan a see so me sure say I thought the baby kasakra more fan no because not just say a show a womb. Sisi na ye knew obi an so fan in yama bi omiti e ma coronavirus na spread more. Intiana cases na air rises no. But we seem not to be learning. The way we are going. Hey, 122 people are dead though. Yes, here. Oh, and any papa our numbers are still down. The numbers of death are down. Maybe as someone they be can say yes, well, we because relatively 100. In fact, the president of the land, they be our because someone work on no. Say relatively, we share area for baby na as a Ghana still. There are 122 people who have died no a year low. As someone me can say, relatively we share a low, but ask yourself, says Ankro for 122 no, about 3 and now 4 and now 5 be able free one family more. Do you think for them they will see the value say 122 no isa? Oh, then let's use an example, and there am ready a statement be a doctor be a work and say well you close to a yes Sir John. The statement be a what they buy. According to the doctor, I work and say well yes Sir John. Ninia Adam for pano. Was say Sir John Mammy because Nania says Sir John Mammy Ninia ba ewu. Was say Sir John Mammy Ninia ba coronavirus ne kuomo. Na womonso na chema ebusian for because ne mame yare ya no. Womo kwasa womo kwhwe mame no. Say coronavirus e na chese womo koya yare no womo nyina womo nyabi. Nti ose Sir John Mammy coronavirus ne ku no. So oboa de a ne enso ye boa. Ose Sir John Mammy coronavirus ne ku no. Was Sir John ni aba coronavirus ne kuno was Sir John wo fa asen so coronavirus ne kuno ansa na Sir John na kasa nti wo dey imagine say wo free Sir John ebusuan mu 4 people and a coronavirus na yeden enyo omu no and na ya tekra say a lot more people in that family have been diagnosed wo mo enya coronavirus no. So what is going on? Your baba until and the number is low, the number is low, the number is low. But if you look through the numbers, now we say we busian 4B. I told you, say Dr. B, I'll bring you a report the next time. A doctor Ekuku Dama will move from coronavirus. Say what Ghana has say. Now you'll be shocked. I told you, say Dr. B, kwada so SDA. Who ye ninya our non so politics or dignity shame or rise. Just say Ekuku Dam 4 in a family about 435 people have died from this coronavirus here in Ghana. And so if you say the number is low, do you think that family they'll feel that effects a number low now? Because just in a year, just in a span of maybe a month or two, they've lost that number of people in their family. Do you think it's a joke? But we are still joking with this. And that means can say even the president of the land is self-isolating for 14 days after Wobia Wobeno tested positive for coronavirus. Even the president has tested negative. But he is self-isolating. Are we not seeing the seriousness of this? And we are making people still queue outside. This total disregard for public safety and the safety protocols. We are making them queue outside whilst the number is rising. You know, I don't understand. Opinion for my way muno a sebi imprediasa nipa ne yepese yeku omo ana asa dien expert about bontia beka says sisiano the rising number yehu sisiano mostly no NPP for primaries abomo ye no even president ye can say nipa na wo ben no ye we no is being attributed to the primaries and the acclamation of the ceremony na wo mo ye no Because right now, the entire Nkrofo air cancer MPP prime minister say a lot more people, the top people in MPP are now being diagnosed and are now testing positive for coronavirus. Entire Nkrofo can say MPP prime minister one year 2 weeks ago no afiansa ye hu effect. MPP for Damboche wo ye MP. Ebasa regional way no was also your minister said yen. Ono so tested positive and no point dra na news eba say wewu. Yesterday there were some rumors say wewu, but em say Nkrofo ababonte be ka say da bi wonwu ye ntro. We are still praying for him. But ono so tested positive. MPP for campaign manager Mark Menu ono so dey yate and say possibly primaries no mo ye no an acclamation o say dey no eno ene man ono so nyaaye. Nipa ko na wo ben president na ye ka no ono so sa you see it's either the primaries or the acclamation. Carlos Ahenkra so sa you see it's either the primaries or the, at least even if we don't know krana, the newspapers have reported and now out news portals have reported say Carlos Ahenkra campaign team Nkrofo 3 enya yare no amaba ko afemu ewu. So you see people are drawing the conclusion say no enama ade na arise, but still we are making people queue outside for this coronavirus thing. Ahomachiwe, I was listening to one MP. Now someone MP ne kind of said, "We share the system one. Is in the use now. It is very dangerous because when my system no, and they say automatically will be adding the fingerprint eba be yepe, and will be the fingerprint be team super. Ebia ye de sanitizer be sanitizer na system nankasa ebe sanitize ye the fingerprints we know. Ye be ma Nkrofo, and they say obia will be so will be wie ya na say yakwa sanitize. Ye be ma Nkrofo 1 2 3 4 bi e de omonsa betintim so. And some be sanitize ya sanitize. Nini na no obi ewa yare no no de nsa ebetim infidie ne so. Na the next person de nsa betim a say yare no wenya o. So this new voters registration na ye for 2 weeks to come. Oh, no one is being prophet of doom, but it is just common sense. It is just common sense. Yesterday, Asempa FM reporter will be the buyer from Eastern region. Wakosha ya no kase dabi voters registration I will say ye jai. Because of course sentence we were Eastern region just about 2 sentences per no who say yes, everything was working fine, social distancing was working fine and all the other sentences no woko hokra na sanitizer wo mu use kra san sabe tissue a oba ohronsa wo do aye be ma wa ohronsa no tissue kra san. At some of the centers no semi na krasa na baby a tissue ensan no kwa wo bi na tissue no sabe what edema say fa paper onsa na ne ba ko na what tissue na ma say fa paper onsa no wo no so say wo coronavirus a obesi de hu na tre say wo de ne nsa so tissue ni mu a tissue no aye full of coronavirus all hu say wie na the tissue na ma ama wo san so the coronavirus say paper onsa hu biom. Are we being serious in this country? Are we serious at all? Yes, you are doing politics. Yes, you are doing, but we are seeing the effect of the thing. A lot more people are dying, but still, into day. The army said people who are supposed to speak are silent. Is this not common sense? Just say, and then I was ranting to a friend of mine. Say, into Ghana, are we serious? Yeah, we are Abba. Ya we no pia na nyao. Now so still you see you not just say indirectly we are saying say politics enhancing the lives of people. What is going on in this country? And no one is talking about it. Everyone is silent. Hey, what might be the team will say? We need to be very serious. So, easy beba, what the on paper or back kind of fair. Electoral Commission, what kind of fair on paper? Oh, and we will do this, we will space people out. But if you go on the grounds, that is not what is happening. Electoral Commission boss, no nothing if you one back Mohano MBQ may register you. we will be to baby. I was say our leaders are wicked. Our leaders are wicked. And yeah, no, yakasa our leaders are wicked. You must be yakasa Emma leaders, no. But things like this clearly shows that you are choosing politics over the lives of your people. And if you in just say why the way when they say coronavirus just say air rises and not still was in Crofonko Abontinko queue. Easy no eba Abontin meka say coronavirus sorry registration they will not use schools. Even the president of the land came to sana no more president no sebe wakwa dani will be a wo twantro. Say because president need the information na yede amano no beka president ne kan say churches and schools will not be used as registration centers. Endra TV3 videos going round in Kola ayam omuko school no womuko school womu no womu queue say womu ya registration no and na pre-date ho en Kola na ya GSS for na ya see omuko school no womu ni womu ko ya registration wo school na say isi wo ka train say won use school no for registration but you are using the schools ama Nkola na ekokra na womu pre e de omo ho bobo nkrofo ansa ya hwe no wo nkrofo ne ho a ya de a che Nkola na de ama Nkola no. What is happening? What is going on in this country? Hey, to the point that the president even at this point has to self-isolate. Not just say Yarena is serious. It's in 24 Yare Yachi Wagana has a 7 previous a yes answer. Hey, it's here for Makasao. You guys know from day one my thought on this thing. She may be a Yare do 20,000. 20,000. Whoever thought? Just about last 2-3 months, and you recorded your first case. See how we are growing. 20,000. Hey, it's here for. Hey, what's it?